NikkieTutorials has finally spoken out since her huge coming out video that basically broke the internet. And in this video, she has something very important to say to fans about her blackmailer. Hey guys, I'm Mackenzie Smith, and today I'm gonna be your host on I.O. And let's just address the elephant in the room. I'm new around here, and I'll be posting regularly on this channel, so get ready to see more of me in upcoming videos. If you guys want to know some more about me, you can follow me on Instagram to stalk my face at Mackenzie Smith. And of course, subscribe to I.O. so you can be that friend that somehow always knows what's happening in the news. Don't worry, I'll keep your secret. For the last few weeks, news of NikkieTutorials' brave revelation that she's transgender has been sparking an outpouring of love and support from her many loyal fans. She was even on Ellen to talk about her decision to come out, and the fears that she faced while coming clean to her huge audience. But if you remember, in the video she admitted that her decision to come out was actually forced because a blackmailer wanted to expose her secret. We all understandably felt really bad for Nikkie after this, prompting tons of her fans to start digging to try and find out who this blackmailer could be. Over the past few weeks since the news broke, tons of tea and exposing channels have come out with stories exposing who they think that this person could be, citing old comments and forums to trace back to who the person was. After Nikkie saw the videos trying to out her blackmailer, she made another video on her channel to talk about the aftermath of the big reveal, called Responding to My Coming Out. The video is already trending with over 2.7 million people coming to watch more about her journey. In the video, she flat out says she does not want anyone to reveal who her blackmailer is. So to give you guys a little summary, she basically said that after seeing the tea channels trying to expose her blackmailer, she got really upset because she doesn't think it's their story to tell. She made it clear that she wants everyone to know this is her story to tell, and if anyone is gonna out the blackmailers, it better be her. She continued that what she shares with her audience about the blackmailer should be her choice, and given that she already lost the opportunity to come out on her own timing, I think we should all definitely respect her decision here. Nikkie also said that she's working with police to find out exactly who did this so that they can be dealt with the right way. She also revealed that she actually now knows who the blackmailer is. Sorry, what? Along with where they live, their phone number, and address. But she continued saying that it's no one her fans would know, basically confirming it's not an influencer, also saying she doesn't even personally know them. So basically it seems that Nikkie has more than enough info on this person to completely ruin their life. Because we all know if the name of this person were to come out, they would be completely destroyed by all of social media. And rightfully so. But again, shout out to Nikkie for being the bigger person here and leaving it up to karma to do its thing. But I have to say, if it were me, I would take great pleasure in seeing the internet rip this person apart for trying to ruin my life like that. Okay, that's all I have for you today on this. We will keep you updated on anything else to do with this story, so subscribe if you want to be kept up to date. Also, I want to know, if you were Nikkie, do you think that you would be keeping the blackmailer's name to yourself, or would you expose the hell out of them like I would? Bye guys.